Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. In this video, we're going to talk about Exitus Elite and why it is such a success. Now, one of the main reasons why it's a success is because its owner, Paul Stevenson, cares about the business. He always puts us members first, and he's always looking to add new things to help us members, us affiliates. And you can go from the high quality lead capture pages that Exitus Elite has. Their standalone lead capture pages are really good. They're very high quality, and not to mention just the opportunity itself. We get paid instantly to the payment processors that we want to use, whether it's PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, Stripe, just to name some of them. And we get to make between $100 and $2,000 instant commissions. Just the other day, I had someone on my team who was at the G100 level, and he upgraded to the G150. I mean, the G250. Because of that, I got a $150 commission. The cool thing about Exitus Elite is when you upgrade to the next product, you don't even have to pay the full price. You pay what you pay. You paid the difference for what you purchased in the last product. So, like when my team member, he came from the G100. So whatever he paid in the G100, he took off the membership fee and the commission due to me. That's why I didn't make $250, but I made $150. Hey, it's still money in my pocket. I just had about $500 worth of repairs $600 worth of repairs on my car recently, and just having some of that money back, that's $150 back in my pocket. That's what I love about Exitus Elite. We get paid that day. So when we transfer the money to the bank, it may have taken a day or two to get it into my bank account, but I was paid that day to that payment processor. But the cool thing about Exitus Elite is the products we sell help you make more money in Exitus Elite. They're all training courses. They're all educational and training courses that are going to teach you how to market your business. They're going to teach you how to get leads and sales. And on top of that, you get team bonus training from me when you join. And we're also going to give you some more team bonuses as you progress higher in Exitus Elite. But the team bonus training, that comes to you for free at any product level. And the training is coming from somebody who's been in this business for 7 years. 7 years of success, 7 years of getting $1,000 and $2,000 instant commissions. You're going to learn how this person has gotten all his secrets on how he's been so successful in this business. And so that team training alone is very valuable, but we're giving it to you for free. So all I can say about Exitus Elite is, out of all the affiliate businesses out there right now, this is the one I love the most. I've had some people ask me if I want to join this business and that business, but I'm committed to Exitus Elite, and I'm not stopping. I'm here for Exitus Elite for 2023 and beyond. Exitus Elite is my new home, and it's just the opportunity that I want. I have no fear of bringing anyone into this business. It has a track record of success, has a great owner, and that's all I got to say for Exitus Elite. Now, that's not to downgrade any of you that are in other opportunities like Easy One Up, Infinity Processing System. Those are really good. Those are some good opportunities from what I've seen. But Exitus Elite is the one I chose, and that's the one I'm sticking to. If you're in any other business, I wish you all the success in the world, because I love seeing people succeed, and I want to help my team be a success. Now, can I make you a success? No. That's up to you. I can guide you to success. I can give you some feedback and tips on how to do that, but I will never guarantee, because in the end, it's you're the face of your own business, and you're going to be the one who's going to determine whether it's a success or a failure. So I'm sorry, guys. I'm honest and I'm transparent. I am not going to give you false hope, but you can succeed. And I know everyone that's watching this has the ability to succeed in Exitus Elite if you truly want it. If you truly want it, you're going to do whatever it takes. You're going to learn. You're going to do all these things. So I absolutely, like I said, I love Exitus Elite, and I am not going anywhere. I used to be one of those people that hopped from this business to that business. I don't do that anymore. I stay committed at one opportunity, and I go full speed ahead. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload new content. And all the links are down below to join Exitus Elite, and all my contact information is in there as well, including my phone number and my direct link to my Facebook page. So send me a friend request on Facebook. That's another place we can interact. We also have Facebook Messenger, which you can call me at. So if you're going to call me, make sure you call me. If I don't answer, definitely leave a voice message. You can also text me. I suggest you do all three. Just because I don't answer right away, I usually try to on the first ring, but I may be busy doing something else, or I'm busy with another person on my team. But I will get back to you, and if I don't, keep texting me and reminding me, because I want to help every single person that comes to my Exitus Elite business, because I believe in it. And if someone who used to be very shy to get in front of the camera like this can do this business, then you can as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.